So if you guys didn't hear, we're supposed to get another snowstorm. We already got a small snowstorm over the weekend. There's still some snow on the ground. But this weekend, well actually this Thursday through Sunday, we're supposed to get 2 snowstorms. Thursday, it's not really supposed to be a big one, just a little bit of snow, snow showers. But the one coming over the weekend, that's supposed to be the bigger snowstorm. When it comes to this area, it's supposed to start off as snow on sometime Friday, continue with Saturday's snow, turn to rain. And then Sunday is the really weird day because the temperature is going to spike up to 60 or 70 degrees when it's raining out, and then it's going to suddenly drop all the way down to 25 degrees by the end of the day. By that point, it's going to be snow again. So I'm probably going to be making a video about that on Sunday. Not really sure how much snow we're going to get. I heard after that it's supposed to get really cold. And yeah, I guess it's it for the video. So see you guys in the next one.